Hello guys, so today's tutorial is on APA formatting and style guide 7th edition. So I'll briefly go over the rules for citing authors and the in-text for in-text citation. So you can see my screen here. So if the article is a work of one author, you can use the last name of the author, as you see here, and then the year, or you can put both in a quotation like this. Okay, and if the article is authored by two authors, you can use either this, that is the last names of the two authors with the and spelled. However, you can also use this, put in a bracket, but this time you are using the ampersand. However, you also have, if the article is authored by three or more authors, you just need to list the first author's last name and then followed by et al. Et al. Okay, so you can put that in a bracket. So the bracket normally goes after you may have done your quotation, maybe after paraphrasing their work or citing, getting the quotation from their work. So at the end of that, you can put this in parentheses. However, if you're introducing them with a phrase, you can use this way. The first name of the author, et al. See? So if the et al is in the bracket, you see, add a comma, then write the year. So take note of those differences. So this is for in-text citations. Now, the difference here is when the authors exceed 3, from 3 and above, you just put one author, that is the first author's last name, and then et al. This is for 7th edition strictly. Okay, so now let's go for citations in the reference list, the reference page. Still on articles in an electronic journal. So this is the format. Yeah, you have the authors and then his initials, second author, and then his initial, and then you join the last author with the ampersand. Okay, and then of course followed by the year in parentheses, then the title of the article. Okay, title of the article always starts with a capital letter, as you can see here, and then you have the title of the journal, periodical, then comma, the volume number, then in brackets the issue number. You can find all of these details normally on the article when you download the article or when you find the article. And then the page number, which page you are taking your citation, maybe you're paraphrasing or your quotation. Now here is an example. So this is the first author, this is the second author. They are joined by the ampersand, and then year, full stop, and then the name of the article. This is the name of the article. You see, it starts with a capital letter, and the key point here is if there is a column in the title, the word following the column also is capitalized like this. And then you have the title of the journal. The important thing here also about the title of the journal is that it's every word, every main word in the title of the journal is capitalized. That is apart from conjunctions. Every main word is capitalized, and the whole title of the journal is italicized, as you can see. Then you have the volume number and then the issue number. Then you have the pages where you are taking the citation. Okay. And then lastly, the 7th edition recommends that you add the DOI. The DOI is normally a URL that you can find on articles. So you add it at the end. Okay. And this is the source for this material. If you like to know more, if you have any questions you'd like to ask, feel free to comment, or if you want me to do the referencing style for any other material you like to cite, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.